Good morning, students. Now we are going to see Unit 12 Carbonyl compounds, chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones. Now we are going to see the topic addition of ammonia and its derivatives. And here, ammonia derivatives, when nucleophiles such as ammonia and its derivatives, that is H2N. Ammonia means ammonium NH4, ammonia NH2 derivatives NH2, and the pair of electrons in the nitrogen, it is treated with a carbon compound. Nucleophilic addition takes place. So the G maybe denotes that it may be alkyl, aryl or OH group, NH2 group, and C6H5 NH group, NHCO NH2 group, and etc. In this compound, the carbonyl oxygen, see here, carbonyl oxygen is protonated and then elimination takes place. And then elimination takes place to form carbon nitrogen double bond. C double bond N. See here, suppose or C double bond O here, that is ammonia derivatives H2N, the G group alkyl, aryl, or anyone. So it is bonded here and then automatically the electron, pair of electrons shifted towards the more electronegative atom oxygen. And see here, this compound will be bonded directly here. This is certain minus symbol. And pair of electrons, oxygen is pair of electrons is here in the oxygen. And then the electron shift will be taking place. And last, the water removal takes place. This is addition of ammonia derivatives. In this, we are going to see so many process. It is, suppose, the ammonia derivatives may be hydroxyl amine compound. So in the suffix OH compound will be coming. So in the product also NOH compound will be. So you have to pronounce this AXIM compound. This is known as hydroxyl amine. When it is added with the aldehyde or ketone, it gives the product AXIM. And hydrazine, one more derivatives of ammonia is hydrazine compound. This hydrazine compound treated with the aldehyde or ketone compound, it gives hydrazone. The hydrazine becomes hydrazone. And phenyl hydrazine, this is known as phenyl hydrazine. This compound will be, suppose actual formula for the first one is NH2OH hydroxylamine, amine hydroxylamine, which is AXIM compound. Hydrazine NH2 NH2. Here before any alkyl group or aryl group will be coming here. Hydrazine will become hydrazone. And similarly here also phenyl group. In this phenyl group, phenyl hydrazine, so will be giving phenyl hydrazone. Now we are going to see the reaction. So common equation or so this is ketone. So formula for hydroxylamine is NH2OH. And it gives the product is AXIM. I told you AXIM compound or NOH. And once again ketone compound treated with semicarbazide, and it is also gives semicarbazone. Example we can see now, acetaldehyde ethanol compound treated with a hydroxyl amine compound NH2OH. And NH2OH, here water molecules are removed. See here, from the acetaldehyde compound H2, the H2O is removed in presence of acid and it gives the compound CH3CH as it is, and here N C double bond NOH and H2O is removed. This compound is acetaldehyde compound, that means AXIM compound, or N-ethylene hydroxyl amine compound. This is first one, derivatives of ammonia or amine. And second one, hydrazine formula NH2 hydrazine. So we have taken here ketone compound, and ketone is also given the hydrazone. The hydrazine compound will give hydrazone. And phenyl hydrazone, phenyl means it should be a benzene ring. So NH2, one hydrogen is removed means the benzene is added. Now it becomes phenyl hydrazine. It gives the product is phenyl hydrazone. So hydrazone here, phenyl hydrazone. Whatever we are adding here, that name will be going to change. And let us see the first example, reaction with the hydrazine. acetaldehyde, this is acetone compound, CH3C double bond O. Formula is NH2NH2. So NH2NH2, here the H2O is removed. Again in presence of acid, so CH3CH3 double bond N NH2. This is hydrazone. So acetone is treated with the hydrazine and it gives acetone hydrazone compound. So here also the hydrazine will become hydrazone by removal of water molecule. And next, same thing, reaction with the phenylhydrazine. Phenylhydrazine, acetone treated with the C6H5, NH and NH2. So NH2, H2O is removed here. So once again the product should be CH3 double bond N, NH, C6H5, so H2O. So acetone, phenyl, hydrazone. So here also the phenylhydrazine will become phenylhydrazone. So acetone is treated with the phenylhydrazine, it gives acetone phenylhydrazine. These are the derivatives of ammonia. So from this reaction we are seeing three type of ammonia derivatives. One is hydroxylamine compound. So first one AXIM, it produces AXIM compound as well as and hydrazine. So hydroxine compound, hydrazine will become hydrazone and phenylhydrazone. The phenylhydrazone already it is acetone hydrazone and next one is acetone phenylhydrazone compound. These are the derivatives of ammonia. Some more common will be there. We will see in the next class. Thank you, students.